Billionaires will tell you that the best way to get rich is to take what's been proven to work across all other industries and steal the mechanism they use and apply it to your own industry. And when I was working at LA Fitness, I was trying to figure out what the fuck that was. What was the mechanism that other industries and companies use to grow their big, massive businesses? And how can I actually take that and apply that to grow my own online coaching business? Well, a few years ago, I actually found it. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you the exact online coaching blueprint that took me from a poor 9-to-5 personal trainer to building a $200,000 plus per month online coaching business. And if you even apply 10% of the shit that I'm gonna break down to you in this video, you can easily make $10,000 to $20,000 per month each and every single month. Step one is creating your offer. What we're gonna do is we're going to leverage the online community model that has been working for basically every other industry out there. Make sure to stick with me, because by leveraging this, you're not only going to have to work a maximum of 10 to 15 hours per week, of course, if done right, but the foundation of your business is not a website, it's not a logo, it's not anything fancy, but it's simply boring offer. That's all it is. Because I see way too many coaches spend all of their time worrying about the stuff that doesn't matter, that doesn't move the needle forward, such as logos, websites, LLC. Listen, I started my business without an LLC. I scheduled my taxes as like the last thing I did. I was focusing all my time on the offer and client acquisition. So you're gonna start with a 12-week coaching package priced at $1,500. That's it. Keep it simple, keep it sweet. You don't need another package, another tier, nothing. Keep it simple. And your package must include these 3 components. Number 1, training. This is where you give them custom workout programs that are updated every 4 weeks. So what I always suggest is sell before you're ready, create as you go. Just create your first 4 weeks and you're good to go. Use Trainerize to create the programs. I'll leave a link to that below. And I also have a link that will show you how to use this. It also has nutrition for weekly meal plans and adjusting the nutrition based on their progress, and also integrated with MyFitnessPal so you can track their calories and steps and all that cool stuff. And the third thing is personalized accountability. This is what they really pay you for. That's that weekly check-ins, daily messaging support, and personalized accountability. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create an automated response in Trainerize to send out a weekly message with a weekly check-in form using Google Forms with 5 to 7 questions about their progress, challenges, and wins. Then, once you get that, you're gonna record a 90-second response for each client. That's it. Keep it very simple. Tell them what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, and give them action steps. The fourth thing is group accountability, where you have your clients all holding each other accountable. So you're gonna add a WhatsApp group for community support. I like WhatsApp best. You can also use Google and Facebook, but I find that they're less engaged. Research shows that users who receive social feedback, such as comments on their posts, experience greater weight loss compared to those who didn't. So when they're in the group and everybody's like, "Hell yeah, man, congrats," it's gonna make them feel good. Specifically, receiving comments was also associated with an average additional weight loss of 9 pounds. This highlights the power of online community support in weight management. This offer structure is proven to deliver results while being scalable for you, meaning you work less, making more money. Step 2, setting up your social media for conversions. This is absolutely critical. This is your website, my friend. This is your brand, this is everything. So what you're gonna do next is transform your social media into a client attraction system. So I'm gonna give you my 7-step process. The first thing is profile picture. Use a clear professional headshot or physique photo with a colored background to stand out. Okay, you can use your iPhone, doesn't need to have to be, a professional photographer doing it. Your username should include niche keywords such as Eric Anthony Klima, Fat Loss Coach. This helps you rank on social media in the fitness coaching niche, right? Just like Google, when someone Googles, where's the nearest gym, people can Google you or Instagram search you, fitness coach, and you'll pop up. The next thing is your bio's first line. So I help specific audience achieve specific result without specific pain point. Very simple. For example, I help busy women transform their body in 90 days or less without restrictive dieting. And then under that is your call to action. So you're gonna put DM me transform for info. This makes it easy for prospects to reach out, and then obviously when someone messages you, That's an engaged, warm lead, and arguably a hot lead. And then under that, you're gonna put your application links. You're gonna create a simple Typeform or Google form asking about their goals, their budget, and their commitment level. This is important because you don't want to be speaking to 12-year-olds or people who aren't committed or people who can't invest. Now, finally, you're actually allowed to pin your most important posts to the top of your profile. And most people, when they go and they follow a new person or look at a new page or whatever, they look at the first 3 to 6 posts. So you want to have one about your personal story, one a transformation, and one that shows them how to take next steps. Finally is get verified. Use the blue check mark to instantly boost credibility. It's only $14.99 a month. Take your business seriously. Don't worry about growing a massive following yet. A properly optimized profile with even 500 followers will outperform a poorly optimized one with 100,000 followers. Trust me, I know plenty of people with massive followings who are broke as shit. Step 3 is creating content that converts. Don't be that fitness coach that posts random workouts and recipes and then wonder why you're not getting clients. This is what every coach is doing. It's no wonder why you're not getting clients. It's not unique, it's not different, it's not valuable. Instead, focus on these 3 types of content. The first one is connection content. This is where you share your story, your why, and behind the scenes of your life to build credibility. Could be challenges, struggles, whatever you're going through, your audience is going to connect with pain. The second type of content is value content. This is where you provide actionable solutions to specific problems that your audience and your ideal client faces. That can be restrictive dieting. That could be, I don't know how to work out. That could be, I don't know how to get rid of the little chichos on my belly. Whatever it is, solve that problem. Just think about if someone gave you $10,000, what type of advice you would give them and put that into your content. A lot of people get this confused. To do this correctly, you need to know exactly who you're talking to. This is why you see every business guru out there talking about niche down, niche down, niche down. And that's because you want to be able to speak to your audience. Is it a 40-year-old woman with back pain or a 50-year-old man with a beer belly? Which one is it? Make sure to identify it, isolate it, and create content to solve their problems. Whoever it is, make sure your content, once again, directly relates to their specific problems. The final type of content is proof content. This is where you share client transformations or your own journey if you're just starting. And for you naysayers, listen, I had no clients when I first started my online fitness business. I used my own transformation to inspire and persuade my audience. Post 5 times weekly with 80% being video content because video content gets your audience to know you, like you, and trust you more. But here's the thing, posting content alone does not work. You also need to combine it with outreach strategies. Step 4, book discovery calls. Once your content is generating engagement, you're getting more views, start conversations, socialize with the people who interact with your posts. That's why it's called social media, because it's a place for you to socialize. So use this 5-question sequence in your DMs. Would you mind if I ask a couple questions to see if I can help out? They're gonna respond, you're gonna say, great, what's your biggest challenge with fitness, weight loss, etc., whatever it is right now. Then they're gonna tell you whatever it is. You respond, what's your main goal and why is that important to you? They respond, in the next 90 days, what specific results would make you happy? They respond, you then say, would you like some help with that? It's simple as that. You can start booking calls from your content in just DMs. Just this little thing right here can make you hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions, without even spending a penny on ads. If they say yes, you just simply respond, you say, great, John, let's hop on a quick 15-minute call and I'll learn more about your situation and give you a custom roadmap to get from A to Z. No strings attached, right? If you use voice messages and videos, you're actually gonna convert a lot more people, so that's a pro tip. If they say yes, what you can do is just send your calendar link, which is a simple application that allows for you to schedule sales calls in an organized fashion. Aim to book 5 to 10 sales calls per week with just a 25% closing rate, meaning you're closing 1 out of 4 people. That's 2 to 3 new clients weekly. And that's a lot at a $1,500 price point. Step 5, converting calls into clients. Now listen, when I first did this, I didn't close my first 10 sales calls, but luckily you have me, where I'll provide you with a sales script that's proven to work, because after I did have the sales script and the right training, I was able to close 40% of the people I spoke to. The discovery call, this is where you convert prospects into paying clients. So you're just gonna follow this very simple framework, and if you want my sales script, just comment sales script below. It'll have every question word for word to ask prospects to lead them from cold to becoming a customer. First thing is setting expectations. So you're just gonna simply say, today, John, we're gonna discuss your goals, your challenges, and if you think I can help, I'll share with you how we might be able to work together. Does that sound fair? Next, you're gonna dig into pain points. You're gonna ask about their struggles and why they matter. Now, if they're giving you vague answers, make sure to dig. Once again, the sales script, just comment sales below, send it over. or has questions to dig more. Then after that, you're gonna explore their goals. You wanna start helping them visualize exactly what success is like. So what's your goal look like? Where do you wanna be 12 months from now? Where do you wanna be 1 year from now? How would that make you feel? After you get goals, pain points, etc., there are more questions to cover, but I don't wanna cover sales in this video because it's short. You're going to present your solution. After about 20 minutes of asking questions, you're going to explain how your training, nutrition, and accountability system addresses their specific situation, helps them overcome those struggles and pain points, and gets them to the desired outcome. And then finally, you're going to make your offer. This is where you drop the big bomb. You're going to say, based on what you shared, John, I think my 12-week coaching program will be the perfect fit for you. It's $1,500 for the full 12 weeks to help you lose 30 pounds and feel greater than ever, which breaks down to about $17 a day. After that, just be quiet and don't say anything until they give you an objection, which takes me to the next step, handling objections. Make sure you're ready for concerns about the price, time, or readiness, or any other objection might come up. It is inevitable, my friend. You're not gonna close everyone, and most people are going to have concerns. Once you overcome that objection, then it's time to ask for the sale again. The reason why many new salespeople fail is because they only ask for the sale once. Don't ask again after trying to overcome the objection. Now, I'm not gonna cover objections in this video because it'd be here for 45 minutes, but I'd be happy to send you my script if you just comment sales below. So that pretty much covers everything that I have for you today, guys. Once again, you want my sales script, or if there's any other challenges that you're going with in your business, comment below. I respond to all my comments. If you have any questions, ask away. I'm here to help. If not, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and get out of here.